Here's Jaja Santiago. Eliza. Dug up by Jaja. Tan leaving it for De Leon. Sent back there by Manabat. Here's Valdez. Oh, wow. Through everybody.
Jorel Singh was, doon na siya eh. Sa sobrang bilis ng talaga ng bola ni Eliza, hindi niya naiangat.
Lahat nilusutan ni Eliza. 4 ang nilusutan niya doon. You know Kayla very well. What does she bring now for Ateneo?
Well, of course, given the opportunity, we can see malakas din ang ano niyan eh, hitting arm.
Yeah. Third ball. Given up there by Urdas. Williams. Backset ngayon. Eliza too near. Did not cross. Yes, she crossed.
There's a crossing violation.
Kala ko nakapreno siya in time.
Pero nakita ng ating mga referees yun eh.
Wala. Sabi ni Eliza, wala.
Konti lang eh.
Nagdahilan pa talaga.
Pero hindi pa nalalagpas sa referee.
Dapat lang naman eh. Kahit konti, meron pa rin yan. Oh, wow. Eliza says, ito na nga lang gagawin ko. Pablo was saying that she dug it up. Okay, the deafening noise on the Eliza Valdez serve.